Creative minds thrive on perseverance, teamwork, imagination, inquisitiveness, and discipline. Drama gives pupils a chance to get out from behind their desks and provides opportunities to develop all these skills. Here are some simple and effective drama games and exercises to get you started. Busy Bee.
Can you all put your hands up like this? And can you move them up and down? And can you go bzzz like bees?
The class move about the hall like busy bees. You call out a letter.
And your first letter is the letter M.
And they all have to make themselves into something beginning with that letter. But here is the catch. You only get points if nobody else is being the same thing as you.
Okay, what are you?
A mountain.
That's brilliant. 1 point and relax.
This encourages the pupils to be imaginative and to think outside of the ordinary. Flocking. Collaboration is key to all drama work. Flocking is a great physical ensemble exercise which uses mirroring. It's essentially a follow-my-leader game in super slow motion. It can be done using groups of 3, up to a whole class together. This game really helps with focus, concentration, and develops discipline. Magic box. Sitting in a circle, the students pass around an invisible magic box. Each student takes a turn to open the box and carefully remove and show to everybody in mime whatever imaginative item they find inside. Once someone has guessed correctly, they put it back into the box, replacing the lid, and pass it along to the next person to discover what else is inside. Drama is a brilliant and easy tool to help your students develop the habits that build a creative mind. Just by pushing away the desks or moving out of the classroom, you're immediately encouraging your students to develop these fundamental life skills. Think outside the box, and they will too.